Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create Dream Smooth AI Portrait, a trending surreal styles AI photo that looks emotional, cinematic, and totally free to make. And you don't need Photoshops or paid apps, just Need a Banana by Google Gemini. Okay, let's get started. First just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to access Little Banana tool, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And then now just upload your portrait photo. Make sure your face is clear and valid for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this. And then now comes the fun part. Let's write a prompt. Before I already wrote a prompt like this. You can copy mine if you want. You can just screenshot it and then just copy it. And then just feel free to tweak the prompt if you need. You can redesign the prompt to give that surreal dreamy emotion vibe as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and when you're done for the prompt, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The emotional, cinematic, and full of artistic vibe photo is ready. The texture, the smoke effect just looks so insane. And okay, that's how you can make the trending dream smooth AI portrait using Gemini. It's free, simple, and totally super aesthetic. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.